A total of 939 service medals, including 189 for gallantry, was announced by the Union Government on Tuesday for personnel of various central and state police forces on the eve of Republic Day. The Union Home Ministry published a list containing names of personnel who have been decorated with the Police Medal for Gallantry, President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, and Police Medal for Meritorious Service. Among the 189 gallantry awards, 134 personnel are being awarded for their gallant action in the Jammu and Kashmir region, 47 for their bravery in left-wing extremism affected areas, and 1 personnel for similar conduct in the Northeast region, a Home Ministry spokesperson said.